Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a fun comparison between the cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and the new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Both phones are packed with incredible camera systems, but which one takes the crown for photography? Let's break it down in simple terms. Camera setups. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has 5 lenses. 200 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel 5x zoom, 50 megapixel ultra wide brand new, 10 megapixel 3x zoom, 12 megapixel selfie camera. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, on the other hand, has 4 lenses. 48 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel 5x zoom, 12 megapixel selfie camera. Testing the cameras. I tested both phones side by side, taking pictures in the beautiful Plaza del Cesar Chavez Park in San Jose. It's a lush green space with tall trees, birds, and plenty of sunlight. A perfect spot for photos. Both phones delivered amazing pictures, but there were some noticeable differences. The Galaxy S25 Ultra captured more detail, especially when you zoom in. The iPhone 16 Pro Max had more natural colors that looked closer to real life. For example, the Samsung phone made the blue sky pop with bright, vibrant colors, but sometimes it looked a little too perfect, like something out of a painting. If you zoom in, you might notice tiny color halos around objects like palm tree leaves. Meanwhile, the iPhone stayed true to reality, keeping colors more subtle and accurate, but without the same wow factor and sharpness. Zooming in. When it came to zoom shots, the Galaxy S25 Ultra pulled ahead. I spotted a woodpecker in the park and used both phones to capture it. The S25 Ultra's 10x zoom out was way better than the iPhone's digital zoom. The bird's feathers looked sharp and detailed, while the iPhone's zoomed shots looked softer. AI magic. I also tested Samsung's Galaxy AI sketch-to-image feature, and it blew my mind. After snapping a photo of the woodpecker, I sketched a quick drawing of a mouse climbing the tree next to the bird. The Galaxy AI turned my rough sketch into a super realistic mouse, even adding shadows to make it look natural. The result? It looked like the woodpecker was staring right at the mouse. It was so realistic that my friends were convinced it was a real shot until I told them about the AI edit. Final thoughts. Both phones have incredible cameras. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is perfect if you want sharper zoom, AI tools, and eye-popping colors. The iPhone 16 Pro Max shines with true-to-life colors and natural-looking photos. At the end of the day, it's all about what you value most in a camera phone. Let me know in the comments which one you'd pick, Samsung or Apple. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons.